Santa came. And what did he bring? What is that? Is that a big teddy? Do you want to go get it? Oh, and your ball just rolled away because of Buddy. Do you want to go see?
Out, bud.
I was going to put down your Mickey. Want to go get that big teddy? Oh my goodness. Go get it. I mean, do you think that's for you?
Give him a hug. Give him a hug.
Sit down. Do you want to see it? You want your tiger one? Your tiger chair too? Here. I think they're probably friends. Aww.
Merry Christmas, Luke.
This was with it too. Did you see that? Show Daddy.
It's a ball. It's a rugby ball.
Crazy hair.
Yeah. Hi. You like that, huh? Tiger?
What do you think?
Do you see what else is new?
What, Luke, come here.
Luke, we got you 2 fish.
Lucas, come
Oh, here we go.
Careful. Oh, yep. That's probably from Bud now. Come here. You can close the door. Careful. Yep. Don't stick your finger in there. It's all right. It's all right. Come out. Okay. Come here. Let's look at what's up on the counter. What's up on the counter? I know. Did it kind of get pinched there? Not much.
Hi.
What's on the counter? What is that? Lots of stuff to look at this morning, huh?
You see the fishies, huh?
Swim, 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 swim. Is it so cool? Yeah.
You want to see it?
Yeah.
Okay, Mama, watch your head.
Gentle, gentle. We can look. And just look. That's fish food, babe. Okay, now get back down. Get your ball. And go get Giant Teddy. Yeah. Okay. I think we have stockings we can open.
What do you think about that bear, huh?
Where'd Luke go? Where'd Luke go? You want to sit there and drink your milk? Okay.
Say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. So wait, do not pump. You get him. Here. Can you lean back? Oh yeah, that's the life. Huh. With your ball too? Oh. Ball's better than milk right now.
Do you need help?
Oh, you got it.